How to turn off all the sensors on your Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro phone with Android 14. You'll need to enter into developer options mode. This is for the Pixel 8 or the 8 Pro, by the way, if I didn't say that yet. Let's get started. You'll first need to enter into developer mode or developer options mode here, and you'll use the quick panel access to do this. Go into the main settings of your phone, and from here on, you'll go all the way to the very bottom until you see About Phone. Once in the About Phone section here, you'll want to keep going down until you reach the part that says build number. And if it's not enabled at the moment, as you start to tap on it, you'll need to tap on it 7 times. It'll tell you how much more left to go. And then once you're ready and it's set to go, you'll most likely need to enter your PIN or password if you have that set up. Now, once it says that developer options is ready and all enabled, you'll come out of here and then you'll go into the search settings right there and type in the words developer options. This will show you where it is next. And of course, it'll take you to where you need to go next. So from here on, be sure this is turned on to get access to all the developer options settings here. And now you want to go down here. Keep going down until you find the quick settings developer tiles, these right here, okay? As you go into this here, you're gonna see all of these here available for you, and the one for the sensors is this one here. When I turn this on, it doesn't really turn it on just yet. You'll need to go into the quick panel access, and you'll see the quick toggle here for all the sensors here. And by turning this on here, that means now they're on, and then of course by turning this a second time, means that the sensors are off, and of course, so you'll see. All right. So basically sensors off. When the switch is on, that means all the sensors are off, okay? And if you want the switch to disable the sensors being off, you'll need to turn it off, okay? And in order for this quick toggle to stay there, you'll need to have developer options enabled at all times. And that's that. Like and sub.